save the other banana for your dad.
Okay.
What did you do? Did you eat sausage?
I ate a piece.
Okay.
Peanut butter and banana toast.
Hi, Vlogmas.
Why are you sleeping? And once upon a time. Hey guys, this is the first time that I've actually like talked to you today on the vlog. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm still in my pajamas. Currently my parents are at the store. Yes, I know. We just went yesterday, but they're going to get boxes and tokens and stuff for us to be able to start packing more, I guess. And then all we're doing for the rest of the day is packing and cleaning so we can get the Christmas tree and the stockings and stuff up soon. Again, my mom doesn't really decorate for Christmas very much in this house, but I'm pretty sure next year there'll be more decorations and all of that. So stay tuned for the tree decorating video, or vlog, I guess. It'll be in one of the Vlogmases. I gotta fix my hair. I've been doing a ponytail, but we're gonna be cleaning and stuff, so I don't know. I don't think I want to do a ponytail. Let's do half up and half down. Let's do that. Let's do a little bun for the day. I might have to fix this. This is kind of ugly. Oh no, it's alright. Alright, so I fixed my hair. Why are you looking at me like that? So I fixed my hair because the little bun I did kept like falling over and it wouldn't do it properly when I tried to fix it. So I just did a little ponytail. A little update, I changed my shirt because it was hot because we were packing stuff. But I got the tub full of my Bath & Body Works stuff done. And then there's still stuff that I haven't put in there yet. So I'm gonna have to figure out another thing to put those in because this is full. There's still a bunch more space in here. I have candles, and then this is like a little candy jar. And then I have like lotions and my perfumes and stuff, like my glass perfumes in here. And there's still a ton of room. I don't know what else I'm gonna put in here. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna fold clothes and then I'm gonna put my Halloween decorations in with the candles and stuff since there's still a bunch of room in there. Alright guys, I had to take a break. It's so hot and it's hard to pack with the fan on just because like when I'm, because I'm using packing paper. so like the fan's blowing it and it's just really annoying. So I had to take a break because it's hot, and I've been watching Vlogmas for the past couple of minutes. So I think I'm gonna watch one more video, maybe finish the one I'm watching and then watch another one and then finish what I was doing. I'm not quite sure what we're having for dinner or anything yet, but when it comes to that time, I will obviously let you know. And I'm not sure how long this vlog is gonna be. I feel like it might be a little bit long, but at the same time, I've barely vlogged any today. So it might be a little short. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see when I edit it. Second cup of coffee of the day. Yeah, first sip. First bite. Second slice. Got some pepperoni. I love pizza.
Me too.
Cherry sweet rolls. Pumpkin spice cupcakes. This way. Frosted sugar cookie.